Well, it is a southern flavor.
Hi guys, I'm Madeline from Lakeside Table, and today I am really happy to be able to introduce you to my mom, Nancy.
Hi there.
And today we are gonna make pimento cheese. And this isn't just any pimento cheese recipe, this is my mom's special recipe, and I love it, but I've never really understood what goes into it. So where did you come up with this recipe?
Well, I'm from the South, and every Southern family has their very own special pimento recipe. This just happens to be my mother's recipe. It's quick, easy, and delicious. And every time we came home from school, we had pimento cheese spread in the refrigerator waiting for us. We love it, and I'm sure you will too.
Awesome. Well, that sounds great. And the best part is that we can make it and then we get to eat it.
Yes.
That's my favorite part.
Yes, mine too.
All right, let's get started.
Shred 24 ounces sharp cheddar cheese into a large bowl. Then add 1 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 1 1/2 cup of sliced green olives with pimentos, 1 teaspoon of Beaumont seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/8 cup of minced chives, 1/2 teaspoon powdered garlic, and a sprinkle of Tabasco to your own taste. Stir gently until it is just combined. Don't overstir. Are we gonna make some sandwiches for Daddy and Jerry?
You bet. I think they're really gonna like that. And you know, I always associated pimento cheese with Texas, and maybe it's because you always made it and you're from Texas.
Well, it is a standard of the South. There's no doubt about it. As a matter of fact, I never knew this, but it's a tradition at the Masters tournament, and they make pimento cheese sandwiches, and then they cover them in green tissue just like this. I guess it matches the coat.
It does, and the grass.
And the grass,
And that
of
way,
course.
if anybody drops any paper on the grass, you can't see it from the television.
I did not know that.
They're very clever.
Okay,
very
very
clever.
good.
Well, how do you like your pimento cheese sandwiches?
Well, I like to put a slice of tomato on my sandwich. I think it adds an extra flavor to it.
Ooh, that's really good. That's really good. I like to eat mine right out of the bowl.
I bet you do.
Thank you guys so much for joining us today on Lakeside Table. And please like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next week, go have fun in your kitchen. We sure are.
Yes, we are. Thank you for coming.
See you next week. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.